Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You must act now. Power the watch down and stop all electrical activity to prevent short circuits. Once off, remove the band and any removable modules so moisture can escape. Make sure to blot visible water with a lint-free cloth rather than rubbing. Do not use a hair dryer or oven. Direct heat warps seals and components. Instead, place the watch in a dry, ventilated area on a paper towel for immediate evaporation as you prepare the next step. Once done with surface drying, carefully open the case using the right drivers and soft prying tools. Keep screws labeled by location so reassembly is exact. You will use 90% plus isopropyl alcohol to displace trapped water. Apply sparingly with a lint-free swab to the logic board and connectors because alcohol evaporates quickly and leaves no residue. Make sure to clean corrosion spots gently. Prolong contact or aggressive. After cleaning, you need controlled drying. Place the watch in a sealed bag or chamber with silica gel packs for 24 to 48 hours to remove residual moisture. This prevents trapped damp from causing late failures. Make sure to replace any degraded gaskets or adhesive when reassembling so water resistance is restored. Finally, power on and test all functions. If it won't boot or sensors misbehave, check connector seating and visible trace corrosion. If problems persist, consult a professional repair service for board-level restoration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.